Hello everyone, today we have a beautiful day here in Simonstown. We're going to do a bit of a dive here, check out, there's some swim throughs, some nice blue water today, and the weather is great, the sun's out, so I hope we catch some good footage.
Ja.
Everyone, back at the end of the dive. What an awesome dive, clear, crystal clear waters, some nice fish. Today we dived at the Cape of Good Hope. You'll see Boulders Beach, and there's Castle Rock. If you zoom in, that's Castle Rock between Millers Point and Partridge Point. It's a nice steep entry, a bit of a climb over some boulders, making it a tough entry, but definitely worth it. A really nice dive.
If you guys enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed this dive, make sure to check out our other videos and like and subscribe.